The royal family could increase the number of working royals in a bid to cover more ground, as a royal expert claims that Prince Charles has been forced to rethink his plans to streamline the monarchy. Despite a deliberate moving away from the York family occurring in the last 20 years, Princess Beatrice and Princess Eugenie could take on more royal duties to fill the gap left by Prince Harry and Meghan's Megxi departure. With the disappearance of Harry and Meghan, there is a dearth of royals on the ground, and the policy of the Prince of Wales had been to streamline the monarchy. So there was a deliberate moving away from the Yorks, from Beatrice and Eugenie. When asked if this decision had been a mistake, he responded, "At the time it wasn't a mistake because everyone thought that the Fab Four would be a new golden age, with Meghan becoming a Heineken princess, able to reach the parts that other princesses couldn't reach. Now, unfortunately, shush is more Marmite than Heineken, but there is this problem now of not having people around, and it's going to have to be a big decision in Clarence House and Buckingham Palace. Do we actually go again to a wider royal family and then get the criticism for everyone being on the civil list and all the cost involved?" Both Beatrice and Eugenie are not registered as working members of the royal family and are not funded by the sovereign grant. Despite maintaining relationships with a selected few charities, the sisters have both embarked on professional careers, with Beatrice becoming vice president of strategy partnerships at tech company Affinity and Eugenie taking a directing position with the art gallery Hauser & Wirth. Along with Harry and Meghan, their father Prince Andrew has also stepped down from public duties and had ceased to represent the Queen during formal engagements. The one-year-old Duke of York is facing allegations of sexual abuse in the United States, claims he has consistently denied. It was noted in the Mail Online that Princess Beatrice could become a Councillor of State, which would enable her to act on behalf of the Queen if she were to become unwell. Under current royal constitutional law, 4 Councillors of State are required by the monarch. Only Prince Charles and Prince William remain in those positions, as Harry and Andrew are no longer qualified due to their detachment from public duties. As the next in line to the throne, the role could fall to Beatrice, who recently welcomed her first child with husband Edoardo Mapelli Mozzi. The Prince of Wales has made his intentions for a slimmed-down royal family clear since the 1990s. In a bid to modernize the monarchy, he had hoped to reduce the number of royals dependent on the sovereign grant and potentially open certain royal residences to the public. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex had announced in January 2020 that they would be stepping down from their roles as senior royals. After negotiating a Megxi deal, which included them renouncing their HRH status, the couple relocated to California and have signed a number of lucrative deals with media companies such as Netflix and Spotify. In March of this year, they participated in a bombshell interview with Oprah Winfrey where they criticized their royal relatives and Buckingham Palace. Allegations included palace aides refusing to correct damaging tabloid articles and ignoring Meghan's mental health, whilst a senior royal family member made a racist remark. The couple currently reside in Montecito with their 2